Hi guys, it's me. I am back with another video. We are going to have a really short video today. It's Friday, and this is coming to you pretty late. I'm sorry that my videos are taking a long time to upload. I hope that you guys are getting something out of them and that we can hopefully next week move on to something that's a little bit more structured. Right now, I just want to be checking in with you guys. I just want to make sure you guys are all okay. Um, Hopefully, you guys are staying inside. Hopefully, you're washing your hands. Hopefully, you guys are doing your work and being good. I want to go over our fractions and mixed numbers worksheet. It is the first math page within our math packet that you guys went home with. If you didn't go home with this, please let me know in the comments below so that I can make sure to email you a copy of this. So si ustedes no recibieron este paquete de tarea, necesito que me dejen saber en los comentarios abajo. Por favor, escriban que quieren que les mande de nuevo, que les mande un paquete de tarea. I know some of you had already asked for that. I did send those out, and I just want to make sure that everybody's on the same page. Remember, por favor, acuérdense, keep reading. Just read as much as you can. I'm starting a reading video series where I'm reading a book called Small as an Elephant, and it's like a nighttime reading. I will be checking in with you guys about that later. But for now, I just want to do a quick check-in video and do some math. Okay, so for our improper fractions and mixed numbers, which is right here. See if you can see it. ¿Lo pueden ver? Improper fractions, mixed numbers. Remember, we just call them fractions or fractions with a value greater than 0 or greater than 1, I'm sorry, and those are right here. Okay? So aquí estas fracciones mixtas y también, perdón, números mixtos y fracciones es lo que vamos a trabajar, es lo que vamos a hacer hoy y quiero que sigan con esto. So, I started doing parts A through L. ¿Se acuerdan? A L. I did them in a previous video. Today, we are going to work on M to V, okay? And I'm gonna do a couple of them. So, behind me on this board, como pueden ver, ya tengo una escrita. So I'm gonna zoom in so that we can see what we're doing here, okay? So, let's see. Can you see that? You can see that, okay? ¿Verdad? So today I have the date. It is March 20th, 2020. And our first fraction is 7/5. How do we represent the fraction 7/5? So the first thing I'm going to do is I can make a rectangle that has 5 pieces, okay? And then I'll do another rectangle that also has 5 pieces. So these rectangles are divided into fifths. This is 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. 5/5 is one whole. So 5 of these fifths is this one piece. Same thing here. So to show 7/5, okay, I have 5/5 and then another 5/5. We're going to color in 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then 1 and 2. Because total, I now colored in 7/5. Let me zoom in a little more. Let's see if I can. There we go. Okay, can you guys see that? So 7/5 can also be written as 1 whole, here's 1 whole, and 2/5. Now I can write it like this because I have 2 rectangles that I divided into fifths. Total, I have 10/5 in these 2 rectangles, but I only colored in 7/5 because that's what it asks for in problem M. Okay? Problem M says, write each fraction as a mixed number. I can draw out this so that it shows me 7/5. 7/5 is also 1 whole right here and 2 additional fifths. So it's 1 whole and 2/5. Let's try a different problem. 9/4. I'm going to choose a different color. Hopefully you guys can see this. I know I don't really have a whiteboard. I'm sorry. I wish I did. But we'll make do with what we can. Okay? So our next problem, problem N, is 9/4. Okay? 9/4. How do I show this? I first have to get fourths. So let's try circles this time. This 1 circle, I cut into fourths. How many fourths are there in this 1 circle? I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 fourths in this 1 circle, right? But I need 9/4, so I need to make another circle. And then I'll cut that in fourths, and then I'll have 4 more fourths. Is that enough? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have 8/4. That's still not enough. I need another circle. I'll cut this circle into fourths también. And I will now just count 1. Right? So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9/4 in a drawing. ¿Ok? Este dibujo me demuestra estos círculos si los quebro en pedazos equivalentes, en cual cada pedazo es equivalente, perdón. Tengo 4. Este círculo, si lo dividimos en cuartos, me da 4 cuartos. Esos 4 cuartos también son igual que un círculo en total. 4 sobre 4 también es 1. Pero el problema me pide que demuestre 9 cuartos. 9 cuartos quiere decir que necesito más que un círculo. Un círculo solo me da 4 cuartos. 2 círculos me darían, how many? 8/4. Right? 1 circle, 4/4. 2 circles, 8/4. Because I add 4/4 plus another 4/4. ¿Y qué me da? I just add the numerators, ¿verdad? Solo voy a sumar los numeradores y voy a dejar los denominadores igual. 4 plus 4 is 8. The denominator stays the same. So I know that 2 circles gives me 8/4. So now I need 1/4 more. This is 1/4. So now I have 8/4 plus 1/4 equals 8 plus 1, 9. The 4 stays the same. See how 9/4 is what we have? So we know that our drawing is correct. So now, use a different color. I am going to show what 9/4 is as a mixed number. How many holes do I have? I have 1 whole circle here. I have 1 whole circle here. That's 2 holes. So 2. Then I have 1/4 here, right? So, para escribir esta fracción como un número mixto, lo que demuestro con este dibujo es de que tengo un círculo entero aquí, otro círculo entero que coloreamos todo. So, I just marked it, but we can color it, right? It's the same thing like this. This whole circle is colored. Este círculo en total está lo coloreamos. Y solamente uno de los cuartos del tercer círculo. So, en total aquí tengo un círculo, 2 círculos enteros y un cuarto. 2 y un cuarto. See that? So, this is one way. Remember, we've talked a lot about different ways to demonstrate math and how math is just numerical manipulations. There are lots of different ways to do this. Hopefully you guys all are already practicing other ways. We've talked about them in class. We'll talk about them again in future videos. Okay? For now, I want you to keep working on your math work. Show me that you understand this by drawing these out. Demuestren que sí entienden cómo convertir un número mixto a una fracción y viceversa con un dibujo, perdón, con un dibujo. Espero que todos lo puedan hacer con dibujos. I want everybody to be able to show this to me with drawings, and I will check on them. Also, today I did a really cool video with Mr. Jacob's class. It was amazing. It was really nice to see a lot of his class. It was really nice to see people, and I really want to see you guys. I miss you guys. So I will send out information on Google Classroom how we are going to get together and do a video chat so that we can go over homework, so that we can answer questions, and so that we can just check in. In the meantime, keep watching these videos, keep checking Google Classroom, keep washing your hands, and keep watching videos. All right, I miss you guys. Cuídense. Ciao.